Hello, tuners. You're listening to 109.2 Lapiz Star, serving the district of Lucella. We will start off our programming by doing a weather report. It is currently 68 degrees in London, 76 degrees in Manchester, 72 degrees in Liverpool, 69 degrees in Glasgow, 89 degrees in Bristol, 75 degrees in Birmingham, and 79 degrees in Lucella. Also, Glasgow is having traffic problems due to the recent snowstorm that just hit a few days prior. So for anyone traveling there, you might want to take some precautionary measures to ensure your ride goes smoothly. That is all for the weather. Oh, well, folks, it looks like we have an emergency broadcast about to go over the wire, so listen in as we have an alert on 109.2 Lapiz Star. This is an emergency warning from the BBC. A major threat is occurring within the district of Lucella at this time. Approximately several hours ago, numerous reports have come in that people who were infected with a new virus seem to show aggressive behavior and do violent actions towards anyone that is not infected. After numerous tests done by the Department of Health and Social Care, along with the Centers for Disease Control, it is confirmed that the virus going around is a virus identified as ZR128. ZR128 is a neurotropic biohazard virus that is a part of the rabies family. It is not known as to how this virus was created, but the Lucella Police Department is conducting a district-wide manhunt for a person of interest who may have been behind the creation of the virus, named Mr. P. All citizens who live in Lucella are advised to do the following. Lock all doors and windows. Avoid contact with anyone who may be infected with the virus. Make sure you have an emergency supply kit that contains food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery-operated or hand-cranked radio, and extra batteries for your radio. And don't panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. The CDC, in cooperation with the Department of Social Care and Health and the World Health Organization, are currently working on both a vaccine and a cure to eradicate the virus.
Residents of Lucella, you may be wondering what is going on right now. There is no need to panic, no need to cry, no need to fear. We, the Insolence, can give to you something that no one else has. Power. This power is nothing like you've seen before. It has numerous opportunities that you'll get later in your future. If any of you have doubts about this power, then think otherwise. We had someone special volunteer for the trials, a sweet girl named Susie. As soon as she went into a room, the trials began and was successful. She had powers now. We had an infected walk up to her, and just one look at her made them cower in fear. That's what we want to do. We want to make the infected fear us. The infected will think of us as your worst nightmare, your worst enemy, your worst terror. Your local law enforcement are nothing but a group of corrupted officials hungry for power. They won't get our power because they will be infected before they can get to us. We want to offer you protection,